Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create sound and add it to each of your button clicks. So what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to right click on this package here, click on new, and we're going to click on Kotlin class. And in here, I'm just going to write sound player. So sound player, and this is going to be an object. So we're going to be creating a sound object. And in the sound object, once we set it up, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a function and we're going to call this play pop. And in play pop, what we're passing in is some context. So I'm just gonna, if that pops up, make sure you click on it. And for this, I'm going to create a value for pop sound. And we're going to be using the media player class, and I'm going to click on create, pass in context. And here I'm going to write in the second area where our sound is. So remember we had placed it inside of res, raw, and the sound itself is called pop cartoon. So I'm just going to write here r.raw.pop cartoon. You can see it already pops up as a suggestion. So this basically creates memory for your sound. And now you can use your pop sound and you can set this up. So when you are done playing the sound, make sure that you release it from your memory so it doesn't really stay um, for long after it finishes. And so after that, what we can write is pop sound, and we're going to write the start function. So you want to make sure that the sound starts playing, and when the sound starts playing, and upon its completion, you release that from its memory. So just something here that we have set up. Now this is really simple because now you have one place where the function is defined, and now in each of your activities wherever you have a button click, you can simply call on sound player. So in here, upon our button click, you can write sound player dot play pop, and all you have to pass in is this. So this basically says when you have clicked on this button, do all of this, but also make sure that you are playing your pop sound. Now, this is for the main activity page. We can also do this for the hobbies activity. So in here as well, right before you start your activity, write sound player, play pop, and write this. So it plays inside of this activity. And we can simply copy this and paste it inside of our third button as well. So right here. And that's pretty much all you need to do to have your sound playing. Thanks for watching.